Looking for the perfect blend of style and comfort in your work boots? Let's dive into the best moc toe options out there. Hey there, I'm Brian from Workeep. Today we'll explore the best moc toe work boots, selected based on Amazon reviews. You can find the product links in the description. Just a heads up, these boots aren't ranked, so stick around to find the one that fits you best. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more great tips. First up, we have the Thorogood American Heritage Moc Toe Work Boots, a fantastic choice for those who value comfort and durability. These boots are made from full-grain leather, giving them a classic look while ensuring they can handle daily wear and tear. The moc toe design offers a roomy fit, perfect for all-day comfort, especially if you're on your feet a lot. The Goodyear welt construction enhances durability and allows for easy resoling, extending the life of your boots. Plus, the shock-absorbing midsole helps reduce fatigue, making them ideal for long workdays. With moisture-wicking lining, these boots keep your feet dry and comfortable. If you're after a work boot that combines style and ruggedness, the Thorogood American Heritage Moc Toe is a great pick. Want to check them out? I've got the link in the description below. Next up, we have the Bull Run Moc Toe work boots. These boots are perfect for those who want both style and function in their work gear. Made from full-grain leather, the Bull Run boots are not only stylish, but also built to last. The moc toe design provides ample room for your toes, ensuring comfort during long hours on the job. One standout feature is the Vibram outsole, which offers exceptional traction and stability on various surfaces. Great for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, the boots have a cushioned insole that provides extra support, making them ideal for those who spend all day on their feet. The Goodyear welt construction means you can resole them, extending their lifespan significantly, so you won't need to replace them anytime soon. If you're looking for a boot that combines reliability and classic style, the Bull Run Moc Toe is an excellent choice. Want to check them out? The link is in the description below. Up next, we have the Red Wing Heritage Classic Moc Work Toe Boots. If you're looking for a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern comfort, these boots are a fantastic option. Crafted from premium full-grain leather, these boots not only look great but are designed to last. The moc toe design provides a spacious fit, making them comfortable for extended wear. One of the standout features is the traction tread outsole, which delivers excellent grip on various surfaces, ensuring stability whether you're on the job site or running errands. Plus, the cork midsole conforms to your foot over time, providing a customized fit that only gets better with age. These boots also feature a Goodyear welt construction, allowing for easy resoling and enhancing their durability. If you're in the market for a classic work boot that offers both style and function, the Red Wing Heritage Classic Moc is definitely worth considering. Want to see more? Check out the link in the description below. And that wraps up our list of the best moc toe work boots. Each of these options offers a great combination of style, comfort, and durability, making them perfect for any job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Workeep, and hit that bell for more great tips on work boots and gear. Check the description for all the product links and let me know in the comments which moc toe boot is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.